Running a sale is one thing, but tailoring it to your different customer segments, that's where things can get tricky. Today, we'll walk through how to create 2 customized, fully automated promotions using Rebuy Smart Flows. Meet Sacred Skin, a mid-market skincare brand with a lean team and their big summer sale coming up. They're looking to run 2 different variations of their summer sale. One for their general customer base, so for customers entering through social and other paid ads, they want to offer a 15% site-wide discount. Their second offer is for their loyal email subscribers, 20% off site-wide, plus a free gift with purchase. So 2 audiences, 2 separate offers, and Rebuy Smart Flows can help automate both. First, let's hop into Smart Flows and create a global flow. This is a store-wide sale, so I'll select that template. From here, I can adjust the copy and enter my discount code. Make sure your discount is properly configured on the Shopify side, and Smart Flows will handle the rest. Finally, I'll set a start and end date for my flow to go live automatically. Now that my flow is created, I can go into each individual component to make further adjustments. I can also add custom CSS to align further to my branding. Now, let's take a look at what this looks like on the front end of the site. And there we go. I have my site-wide sale banner with the discount automatically applied once I add a product to cart. Next, we'll set up a link-based flow for Sacred Skin's second promotion. Now, you might be wondering how this promotion plays alongside the global one we just set up. Any customer who enters through the link-based flow will only see that offer and not the global one. To start, we'll create a new flow and select link-based promotion. I'll add my free gift to the flow. I'll pick my product and set the discount to free. I can also customize the gift message from here. Next, I'll add my discount code, remembering to ensure that this code is also set up in my Shopify store. Again, I'll set my start and end date for my flow to automatically go live. Finally, here's where you'll find your smart link. Copy this link to add into your email campaign and send out to your chosen customer segment. Let's take a look at what the front-end experience looks like for customers. There's my free gift offer. So I'll go ahead and add that to my cart. Heading over to my cart, I can now see my free gift added there. Excellent. I'll add a new product to my cart here. And there's the second piece of this promotion in action, with 20% off automatically applied. So, in less than 5 minutes, Sacred Skin now has 2 fully automated promotions ready to go for their summer sale. For more information on getting started with Smart Flows, hit the link below.